Two smartphone giants go head-to-head. Apple's iPhone 16 Plus versus Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip 7. Which one really delivers? On the left, the bigger, brighter, smarter iPhone 16 Plus. And on the right, the foldable, AI-powered Galaxy Z Flip 7. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect.
Here's our roadmap for today's face-off. We're going to cover price, performance, battery life, display, camera, design and build, ecosystem and OS, and yeah, those cool new AI features. Basically, all the stuff you care about when you're actually thinking of shelling out for a flagship.
Let's kick off with price, which, come on, always matters. So the iPhone 16 Plus honestly runs cheaper than the Flip 7. And, having that classic Apple high resale value is no joke. Sure, it's premium compared to standard models, but it's surprisingly less pricey than going for foldable territory. Now, the Flip 7 gets its bragging rights for being a foldable. Like, that's cool and all, but you do pay for that uniqueness. Not just the higher starting price. Oh, and if you ever need repairs, let's just say those costs aren't friendly. Winner for price? It's gotta be iPhone 16 Plus.
Okay, next. Performance. What's under the hood?
iPhone 16 Plus rocks the A18 chip, next-gen Apple Silicon. And honestly, nothing beats that smooth, long-lasting OS performance. Downside? Yeah, there's no foldable magic here, if that's your thing. Now, the Flip 7 packs a punch with Samsung's new Exynos 2500 chip, plus 12 gigabytes of RAM and some screaming fast storage. But when you push it hard, you might see those performance numbers dip a bit. So, who keeps things speedy on the regular? It's iPhone 16 Plus again.
Let's talk battery life. The iPhone 16 Plus brings a bigger battery than usual and those classic iOS battery smarts. So you're probably breezing through your day. There's no wireless power share though, which would have been nice. Flip 7, it boasts a beefy 4300 milliamp hour cell, super fast charging, and the neat trick. Yup. Wireless power share. So you can juice up your earbuds or a friend's phone. But you do lose a bit of battery life because of the folding thing, and the capacity's just a smidge lower to fit the hinge. Still, overall, sticking to sheer endurance, the iPhone 16 Plus wins here.
Did you know the Galaxy Z Flip 7 is literally the thinnest Z Flip Samsung's ever made? Meanwhile, the iPhone 16 Plus sports the biggest standard display yet in an iPhone. These brands keep one-upping each other every single year.
All right, who's got the screen you want to stare at all day?
iPhone 16 Plus. Big, 6.7-inch XDR OLED. The colors pop. The brightness is wild, but it's a flat slab. No outer display. Flip 7, though? Oh, and here's something cool. It's a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED, 120Hz smoothness, and a ginormous 4.1-inch flex window cover for instant glances and app stuff. 2600 nits peak brightness, and Samsung's Vision Booster. Seriously, that's insane. Sure, there's a crease, gotta expect it with foldables, but overall, for display, Flip 7 flips ahead.
Camera time.
iPhone 16 Plus, classic flagship setup. Stellar at night shots. Video is basically the gold standard. Downside is creative selfies can be a bit less flexible. On to Flip 7. 50 megapixel main shooter, 12 megapixels ultra wide. And here's where it shines. You can use the best rear camera for front-facing FlexCam selfies. And the whole ensemble is tuned with Galaxy AI. Sure, no telephoto. And yep, sometimes the crease gets in your way. But it's so fun. Honestly, this one is tight. Let's call it a tie. Moving to design and build. iPhone 16 Plus is the classic slab, premium materials, feels solid, but yeah, it's same as usual, nothing mind-blowing physically. Now, the Flip 7, this is where things get wild. That clamshell foldable folds up so tiny, it's legit pocketable. Water resistance, improved hinge, color choices galore. Only downside, and I gotta call it out, it's a bit heavier and more complex because of the folding thing. But for sheer wow factor, winner's Flip 7 for sure.
All right, ecosystem and OS. Which phone actually fits into your life?
iPhone 16 Plus is super locked in. iMessage, AirDrop, FaceTime, and Apple's It Just Works vibes. Updates? Constant. You're always on the latest. Downside? You're kind of in Apple's walled garden. Flip 7 runs Android 16. tight with Google, Galaxy AI, plus the whole DeX desktop mode. Wireless share is pretty open. But updates, they're just not as quick or long-lasting as iOS. So for pure ecosystem power, iPhone takes the crown. Last, it's the big buzzword, AI features. For Apple this year, Siri's getting smarter, maybe some Apple Intelligence coming, but the truth, it's usually slow rolling out cool AI features. The Flip 7? That's where Samsung flexes hard. Galaxy AI does everything. Notes, calls, faces, the works, with Google Gemini packed inside. Even the cover screen gets smart widgets. Okay, the catch is, these features might only be free until the end of 2025, so keep that in mind. On pure AI features, Flip 7 is way ahead. So, if you're the visual type, check out this radar chart showing how these phones stack up in every category we covered. You'll see the Flip 7 absolutely owning display, design, and AI, while the iPhone 16 Plus rules in price, performance, battery, and the Apple ecosystem. So what's the verdict? If you want no-nonsense, best-in-class battery, performance, and that seamless Apple ecosystem, you stick with the iPhone 16 Plus. But if you want all the flip magic, innovative AI features, and a super flexible camera, the Z Flip 7 is honestly where it's at this year. If you love getting the lowdown on futuristic phone face-offs like this, definitely hit that subscribe button and stick around. I've got more crazy tech battles coming soon. You do not want to miss